Once upon a time, there was a crow. There was a thirsty crow. He is very thirsty, and he was searching the water. He saw put there was a little water, and he jumping the water and like the swimming pool and the river. And he down the river, and he is very thirsty, and he is the other crow. When he saw, so when he want to jump and crashing in the water, and both are pajang, both are fighting, and to saw in the river in the bone. Honesty is the best policy, and then he is the real commander coming in the water. The name is thirsty Grady Dog. The Grady Dog saw in the thirsty crow. The thirsty crow want to eat water, and Grady Dog eat to the water, and Grady Dog to drinking the bone. When he is very thirsty, the dog want to eat the crow, told Sarada Wazoro, and he is very parishan daga. He is very upset to see in the river the water in the swimming pool, river, the river in the water to lake, other when the flying in the when the crow flying in the sky, and he is pushing, and he is squeezing, and his movement her wings, and he is searching the water. When he saw the other lake, and he is saw the other crow in the river. He saw, he thinking this is my wife, name is the other crow. He's crow like he is like the she is the he wife, the crow wife. He like a she, muannas, but the crow is very dangerous to her little bacha. When he is marriage, both are marriage, and after they celebrating the honeymoon in the river, and akhirkar they born the bacha, baby is coming. When the baby coming, so the Grady Dog again come and want to eat the crow baby. No, Razimani.